Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of baking. Today, I'm going to share the 7 essential ingredients you need for perfect baking. These are the building blocks of any great recipe. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these ingredients are your baking essentials. Let's dive in and explore each one in detail. First up, we have flour. Flour is the backbone of most baked goods, providing the necessary structure and texture. There are different types of flour, like all-purpose, bread, and cake flour, each serving a unique purpose in baking. It's the protein in flour, known as gluten, that gives dough its elasticity and strength. This is crucial for bread and pastries. Think of it as the canvas for your baking masterpiece. Next, sugar. Sugar does more than just sweeten your treats. It adds moisture, helps with browning, and can even affect the texture of your baked goods. It's responsible for that beautiful golden crust and can also help in the caramelization process, adding depth to flavors. Plus, it gives that irresistible golden crust. Now, eggs. Eggs are the glue that holds everything together. They add structure, help with leavening, and contribute to the color and flavor of your baked goods. Moving on to liquids. Liquids like water, milk, or juice add moisture and dissolve ingredients. They play a crucial role in affecting the texture of your baked goodies. The type of liquid you use can also influence the flavor and tenderness of the final product. Then, there's salt. Salt enhances flavors and balances sweetness. It's a small but mighty ingredient. Just a pinch can make all the difference. Don't skip it. Salt can also strengthen the gluten network in dough, improving the texture. It's essential for both sweet and savory baked goods. Fats come next. Think butter, oil, or shortening. Fats add richness and tenderness. They also help with leavening and create those delicious flaky textures. Leavening agents like baking powder, baking soda, and yeast make your baked goods rise. They are the magic behind light, airy textures. They turn your dough into light, airy delights. Understanding how each leavening agent works can help you troubleshoot and perfect your recipes. So there you have it, the 7 essential ingredients for perfect baking. Flour, sugar, eggs, liquids, salt, fats, and leavening agents. Master these, and you're on your way to baking perfection. Each ingredient plays a vital role in the chemistry of baking. Experiment with different combinations and techniques to find what works best for you. Explore more about the art of baking on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time. Keep experimenting and enjoying the wonderful world of baking.